What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. First and foremost, I want to say God bless. Salute to all my alpha males, alpha females, alpha generals, and alpha generalettes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe so you could be a part of the team and be a part of any giveaways I'll be doing in the near future. You heard? Now, what I got for you today is a real unboxing, a raw unboxing of none other than GLD. Now, I will be doing, other reviews with other things, but for now, I'll be doing GLD because it's all a lot of my collection that I got from them. You know what I'm saying? And many different materials. So, let me not hold you any longer, you feel me? All right. So, I already, got a head start on cutting open the box because it showed my address everywhere. As you can see, I scribbled it out here. So I just wanted to get, so I wouldn't have to tussle too much with opening the box. I already gave us a head start. You feel me? Okay. Now what I have here, before we get into it, I haven't seen it just yet, but obviously there's pictures online, is two crosses. I'm big on crosses. I got a couple of them already. I like crosses. These are new designs that they have, new iterations that they put in place. And as you'll see in another future video that I'll be making, I'll do some comparisons to the older crosses that I got from them, comparing to these newer crosses. And one should be yellow gold, 18 karat yellow gold, and one should be 18 karat white gold. One is a Baguette cross and one is a ruby cross. Okay, so let me not hold you guys up. Let's get right into it. Now, like I said, I already cut open the box to give a head start. Now, comes into this nice tissue paper, gift wrapping, whatever you want to call it. Just put all this to the side real quick. Look, as you can see, they got a little fancy with a new kind of logos. Same logo, but they, they jazzed it up a little bit for all my alpha generals, alpha generalettes. If you're not used to it, as you can see, this is their old logo. Same basic idea, but you know what I mean? They got a little fancy with it. Okay, so let's get into the box. They got comes in a little metal flap. I like their boxes. I'm not going to lie. Their boxes I try to use for all my stuff. As you can see, I got a lot of their product. Comes with a card of authenticity. Now, what's inside here guarantees you, that their stuff is from them. And it tells you, that you can send it in. If you send it in with the product that you bought it with, then, you can get it cleaned or redone or whatever you need done to the product. Send it in with this card, and they'll be sure to, to address your issues with them, okay? That's what's in here. Card of authenticity. If you want to see what it look like, let's just open it up, just in case you guys just don't know what it looks like. The insignia. And a lot of information telling you what this card is good for. Okay, now you see that. Let's put that to the side. Comes in a nice little baggie with their pickaxe insignia, with the fancy logo, with the new logo. This right here zips. I guess y'all can see that. Obviously, Stevie D, they can see that. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Like I said, as I expected, ruby red cross comes in a nice plastic. It looks like they take good care of this stuff with their pickaxe insignia. They don't let you go without seeing their logo. You feel me? They don't let you go without seeing their logo, but it comes in a nice plastic. You know what I mean? Little baggie. Sorry for the gloves, but with the Rona thing going on, I'm just a little anal, and I like having gloves on my jewelry to protect it. So this right here is the ruby red 18 karat yellow gold plated cross. Got the insignia in the back, to be expected. This is one of their new crosses or more recent crosses, because I'm not sure exactly when it dropped, but when I saw it, I had to have it. Now this right here, this ruby red cross, basic, because I don't think this comes in vermeil. I didn't see the option for it, else I would have bought it in vermeil. But in basic buy, it comes at $89. But that's not what I paid. I think at the time when I bought this, which should only be like a week ago, I don't know if they got the same promotion. You get 2 pendants and 2 chains, two for two and change. I forgot exactly how much I cost, but as it stands right now, this pendant by itself is $89, 18 karat gold plating. Okay, you see it? All right, let's see what else we got in here. Put that down for 2 seconds. See, it comes in another plastic baggie. Put the insignia on the plastic to be expected. And I believe I said in the beginning of the video, this is the white gold 18 karat gold plated Baguette cross. I know you can see that gleaming. This thing is nice. I like this one. I like crosses. I'm a big fan of crosses. Yeah, because I am I do believe in God. I do practice religion. And, but that's not the only reason why, I like crosses. I'm a big fan of crosses and cross pendants. White gold plating. And these stones right here are baguettes. Now, I know what you're going to ask me. Steven, are those real? Stevie D, are those real baguette diamonds? Come on, man. I think we know the answer to that, and you know what I'm going to say for me and my alphas out there. If you like what you see, who cares? We don't care what they say. You know what I'm saying? I like it. But this is the Baguette cross, 18 karat gold plated. Now, as it stands, this piece right here, basic, with no vermeil, no special other materials, $79. $79 for this one right here. Okay? $79. Now, like I said, when I bought it, I had a deal. It was running a promotion. It was like not two for the price of one, but it was two for a discounted price. I jumped on it, and this is what I got from it. So, like I said, for any of my followers, subscribers that can't afford even the basic of prices, this one being $89, this one being $79. Let's turn that around so y'all can see them side by side comparison. They have an application and a system in which way you can pay in increments of 4. You pay your first payment and they ship it out to you right away. Most of the time, I pay my stuff outright because I don't like to pay on things. But, sometimes you ain't got the money. Stevie D ain't always got the bag. But sometimes, you don't want to pay it all at once. You don't mind paying that quarter of a price. You know what I mean? So GLD is really good with promotions and helping people out, especially in this time when you ain't got it like that. And that's what your boy Stevie D is here for, because I'm going to choose which one of these I want to give away. I'm probably going to keep one, most likely, and the other one I'm going to give away. I don't know which one yet, but if y'all just comment, like, subscribe, drop the medallion, like I said, with something positive, we'll see which one of these goes away. You feel me? We'll see which one of these I'll give away. You know what I mean? I got to make up my mind. So y'all help your boy out. Click the link in the description. Help this channel out. Help me grow so I can get more product to review for you guys. You understand? God bless. Salute to all my alpha generals, alpha males, alpha females, and generalettes. If y'all got any questions, hit me up in the comment section. Hit me up so I can answer whatever y'all got. Let's just answer a couple things really quick. I know I'm repeating myself, but as it stands, this cross right here is $89. 18 karat gold plating. This is $79. 18 karat white gold plating. You understand? They were running a promotion, and if you follow them closely, they send you emails. They're good for giving you discounts. They're good for giving you percentages off. And like I said, if you want any other solid gold or diamonds or anything special for me, you can hit up their customer service. They got very good customer service as far as I'm concerned. All right, Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm out.